I'm Marley Oxenholm, and this is your weekly rundown for Hacker Daily from August 28th to September 1st, 2017. Attackers can reprice an item while you online shop. New scam targets Facebook users. And Russians protest for their online freedom. The countdown to the annual Flare-On Challenge begins. The Mayweather-McGregor fight reveals the severity of pirated streaming. And ForcePoint sets its goals for the future of cybersecurity. DJI launches a new bug bounty program, hospitals cancel operations after a cyber attack, and attackers take advantage of Hurricane Harvey fundraiser efforts. FDA approves firmware update for pacemakers, important information for users of Microsoft Office 365, and a botnet discovery on Android devices. North Korea accused of stealing Bitcoin, new ransomware discovery, and a report from Symantec shows an increase in cyber attacks. Thank you for tuning in to this week's recap from Hacker Daily. This episode was brought to you by Pentester Academy, the leader in online cybersecurity education. Also brought to you by Hacker Arsenal, artillery for cyber warriors. Visit us on hackerarsenal.com to check out our latest attack defense gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.